The words closest to hint that we shouldn't have to do any math here. And looking at the denominator, I'm seeing some awkward number, 4.86, being increased by 3%. That's one way of looking at it, right? We're multiplying by 1.03, so we're just adding a very small percentage, 3%, to 4.86. Now, if you're comfortable approximating that to 5, great. If not, well, let's think about what 3% is approximately of almost 5. Right? 4.86 is almost 5. 1% of that would be almost 0.05. 3% would be almost 0.15. So adding approximately 0.15 to 4.86, that's very, very, very close to exactly 5. On the top we have basically 60. So 60 divided by 5, well, that's 12. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 12 and move on to the next question. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.